You're welcome in your maths, and I got a new problem. Today we are going to prove why the ratio is something like that. So let's go. So for that, let me draw a triangle which is an equilateral triangle, means all sides are equal and all angles must be 60 degree. Now let me draw a height, and here it's 90 degree, and you can see this and this side is equal, and you can see that this side is common in both the triangles, and this is 90 degrees. So you can see from RHS both triangles are congruent. Therefore all the corresponding parts of congruent triangle must be equal. So this side and this side length must be equal, and this angle must be equal, which is 30 degree. So if I say this is x, so this is x as well, and this is x by 2, and you can see this is a right angle triangle, and we can write perpendicular square is equal to hypotenuse square minus base square, which is Pythagoras theorem. From here you get perpendicular square is equal to 3x square over 4, and you get perpendicular which is equals to square root of 3x square over 4, and you can see perpendicular is equals to x root 3 over 2. So here x root 3 over 2. So ratios of all side with respect to 60 degree will become, if I say perpendicular is to base is to hypotenuse ratio, then it's x root 3 over 2 is to x by 2 is to x. Now for making the ratio simple, we multiply the whole ratio by 2 upon x, and you can see that x is cancelled out and it becomes 2 is to 1 is to root 3. So yeah, it will become root 3 is to 1 is to 2 with respect to 60 degree. But with respect to 30 degree, the perpendicular is to base is to hypotenuse ratio is 1 is to root 3 is to 2, because with respect to 30 degree the perpendicular is x by 2. Hopefully you get it, so don't forget to like and subscribe.